A very good morning, class. A new day with a new class and a new beginning of a chapter. I hope everybody is fine and doing e learning. Today, we will start a completely a new chapter, that is, chapter number 11, Different Kinds of Material. As every day you see various kinds of substances such as water, food, medicine, fuel, clothes around yourself. All these are what? Chemical substances. And we know that chemical substances are made up of atoms of one or more elements. And a number of substances you consume such as lemon, curd, tamarind, fruit juice, common salt, sugar, vinegar have different states. You must be wondering why some things are so sweet, why are so bitter, what is the chemical present which makes them sweet, bitter. All this about different materials we are going to study in this chapter. This is a very interesting chapter as we will came to know about the properties of the different substances. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin with this chapter. As we know, on the basis of the chemical nature, chemical substances can be broadly classified as acidic, basic, and neutral substances. So, three important things we are going to learn in this chapter about the acidic substances, which are known as acids. You must have tasted the vinegar, curd, and lemons. Quickly recall the taste. How does it taste? It tastes sour. The sour taste of these substances is because of the presence of acid in them. So we can say acid is derived from the Latin word acera, which means sour. So these substances are acidic, which means acid is present in them. Acetic acid is present in vinegar and lactic acid is present in curd and citric acid is present in lemon juice. So we can say different substances have different acids present in them. You see a table which shows a name of the acid and the substances in which it is found. Like I told you, acetic acid is present in vinegar. Citric acid is present in citrus fruits such as lemon juice. Lactic acid is present in the curd. Same way, in apple, malic acid is present. In spinach, oxalic acid is present. So from this table, we can say acid and the substance in which they are found. Now we will study the basic substances or bases. What exactly the bases are? In your kitchen, you must have seen baking soda. Have you ever tasted? No? So please taste it a little bit. You will know it tastes. How does it taste? It does not taste sour and does have no acid in it. So what is it? It is bitter in taste. So the things which taste bitter are known as bases. Take a pinch of baking soda and rub it back on your finger. How does it feel? It feels soapy to touch. अगर उसे rub करते हैं तो it gives us a soapy touch. So we can say that the chemical substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called as bases. Acids were sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. Similar way, name of the base and the substance in which it is found is given in a table. Like soap has sodium hydroxide as a base. Lime water has calcium hydroxide. Window cleaning solution has ammonium hydroxide. Soap has potassium hydroxide. So someone asks you what base is present in soap, you will say potassium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia consists of magnesium hydroxide. So this was a list of the bases and the substances present. Our next topic is indicators. Just tell me, is it possible to taste each and every substance to identify whether it is basic or acidic in nature? In nature, also it may be dangerous to touch each and every substance. So how to overcome this problem? There are special type of substances called indicators which are used to know the chemical nature of a substance. So what are these indicators? These indicators are the substances that are used to test the acidic or the basic nature of a substance. ये क्या करते हैं, दे चेंज देयर कलर व्हेन एडेड टू एसिडिक और बेसिक सोल्यूशन। इनका कलर चेंज हो जाता है, जिससे हमें पता चलता है वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक और बेसिक। Basically, these indicators are classified into two types, the natural occurring and the artificial ones. The natural ones are the litmus, turmeric, and china rose. These are the naturally occurring indicators. And phenolphthalein and methyl orange are the indicators prepared in the laboratory. So, one by one, we will study the natural one also and the one prepared in the laboratory. The first indicator is the litmus. It is the most commonly used indicator and it is obtained from the lichen plant, a type of a plant. क्या करते हैं, in distilled water, we know that the distilled water is neither acidic nor basic. Purple in color, but on adding an acidic solution, it turns the red, while on adding a basic solution, it turns blue. मीन्स अगर हम कोई एसिडिक सब्सटेंस डाल रहे हैं तो लिटमस पेपर का कलर क्या हो जाएगा, रेड हो जाएगा। अगर हम कोई बेसिक सोल्यूशन डालेंगे इस लिटमस पेपर पर, इट टर्न्स ब्लू। जनरली टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिटमस पेपर आर देयर, रेड एंड ब्लू आर अवेलेबल। दे आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेपर ऑल्सो। Next type of indicator is turmeric, which is commonly known as haldi. Is used in the kitchen as an ingredient we know, but it is a natural indicator. It is yellow in acidic and neutral medium and reddish brown in basic medium. Means अगर कोई acidic होगा तो उसका color change नहीं होगा, पर अगर कोई basic medium होगा तो उसका color change हो जाएगा to reddish brown. Recall what happens when a yellow stain of the cooked vegetable on your white shirt is washed with soap. अगर आपके ऊपर, आपकी शर्ट के ऊपर कभी येलो स्टेन लग जाता है कुक्ड वेजिटेबल का, तो हम कैसे करते हैं, उसे सोप से वॉश करते हैं। तो आपने देखा होगा उसका येलो कलर किस में चेंज हो जाता है, रेडिश ब्राउन, बिकॉज द सोप इज बेसिकली बेसिक इन नेचर एंड टर्मरिक इज टर्निंग इट इनटू reddish brown. It comes into contact with the soap solution. This is because we know soap solution is basic in nature. Now you see an activity to test the nature of the different substances using turmeric as an indicator. This activity we will be performing in our Zoom class also. What we will do, we will take a tablespoon full of turmeric powder in a bowl. We will add some water in the bowl. Take a filter paper and uniformly apply turmeric paste over it. Now we will leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we will cut thin strip of yellow turmeric. छोटी छोटी strips हम cut कर लेंगे. Collect soap solution, common salt, sugar solution which are usually available in our house like lemon juice, lime water, vinegar. Whatever is available we will collect them. One by one we will put a drop on the paper which we have prepared with the yellow turmeric. Then we will record our observation in the table. We know that soap solution is basic, it will turn reddish brown. Common salt remains the same because it is neither acidic nor basic. Then we will add sugar solution on the turmeric paper and one by one we will taste. We know that lemon juice and lime water is acidic in nature, so its color will not change. As we know that when acidic substance is added in a turmeric solution, its color does not change.